Hey guys, I'm holding the Ulefone X. I'm still not sure how you pronounce it. This is a sample of the front and the back cameras, and I only got it today. I'm still messing around with it, but I'm using the default app. I'm not using a tripod or anything to stabilize the picture. What you're hearing right now is video recorded from the front camera using the built-in app. So you're using the default camera app. You're hearing the default microphones. I'm not using a microphone or anything like that. And I'm actually going to go out. I'm going to go out to the supermarket. I need to pick up some things that I couldn't get today. So I just wanted to show you what it's like. And you can see when I'm moving around, it is a little bit jerky. But where budget phones and where mid-range phones always fail, well, it's low light. In the daytime, the budget phones normally take pretty good video, front and back. But at night time, this is where you run into problems. And if I turn off the light, that's what you see. But that would be the same in any camera. Even the top of the range phones, in pitch black, they're not going to see much. But I'm going to go out and I'll go to the car park and I'll go outside, and you'll be able to hear the microphones outside, and I'll be able to show you the back camera, the rear camera as well. So let me know what you think at the end of the video. Leave a comment below. But what you're seeing right now is me holding it with my hand, which is how most people hold their phone when they're out with their friends, and just using the front camera. So as you can see there, when you zoom in, it finds it difficult to see anything with light. The light reflects and it's hard to actually focus on anything. Quite grainy. So I'm outside now. It is relatively quiet. Actually, it's really quiet when I think about it. But I'm outside. It's not windy, so you should be able to hear me okay with the microphones. I think I actually put my finger over the microphone before, but yeah, you should be able to hear me okay. But as far as video quality at night, well, you can see yourself that the lights are actually they're quite bright, and when you move around, it kind of messes. The focus finds it quite difficult. Now I'm under light there actually. When I sit there like that, I'm under light. But you can see that moving around, it can sometimes find it hard to focus and things. Now again, this is what you would expect from a budget phone, from a cheap phone. And if I walk, you can see what it'd be like if I'm walking around. So if you were walking at night time, recording a video for a friend or something, this is kind of the quality that you would get. So guys, I'm sitting on my couch now. It's still night time, but I've got a little bit of light in the room. And you saw from those pictures there that, well, the camera at night time anyway isn't the best. I don't think the microphones are that bad actually. I was quite impressed with them. Bearing in mind that this is a budget phone, I didn't think the microphones were that bad. But at night time, when you're moving around, it's very grainy. The lights are, kind of shining, and it can't really pick anything up. It's focusing all over the place, and it's pretty poor. But this is what I've seen in the past with budget and mid-range phones such as the Moto G as well. At night time, they really do struggle. Even flagship phones aren't the best at night time, but budget phones, this is where they cut corners. They cut corners with the camera. Now, one thing I didn't notice when I recorded those clips earlier was two little smudges. Now, I didn't notice it when I was recording at the time, but if you look just now, you can probably see two smudges in the screen. One at the top, one kind of down middle, kind of centre middle, down at the bottom. So there's two smudges there. I didn't notice that at the time when I was recording, but I'm noticing them now, and I can't not notice them. And now you would think, I'm trying to clean the camera there, but there's no problems, there's no smudges, there's no problems with the camera there. The phone is in mint condition. It's, you know, it's exactly as it is out the box. It looks great. There's no problems with that, and you know, there's no scratches or anything like that anywhere. The problems with the smudges, it's only the front camera, and if you know, if I had to show you the back camera, you would know that. But at the front here, for whatever reason, there's two black smudges, which makes me think, I'm just guessing at this point, but it makes me think that the actual lens inside underneath the glass is smudged, or it's scratched or something. I think it's maybe just smudged, and that is, as you'd expect, quite disappointing. So that's a separate issue, and it's something that I'm going to look into, but hopefully it doesn't take away from the camera sample that you've watched here. Let me know what you think about this. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about how this camera performs at night time when there is low light. Again, it's a budget phone. You get what you pay for when it comes to Android phones, and it comes to spending very little money. But you know, the major issue here for me and my phone is the smudges. But you can see, even if those smudges weren't there, at night time this doesn't have the best front and back cameras. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Please do leave a comment and let me know what you think about the mics, the front camera and the back camera of the Ulefone X.